What's up, everybody? Even though the season has not fully started up for me yet, today is a winter January day, but it's about 57 degrees, so I thought it not robbery to get out here and cast a line just to see if I can get anything on. So let's go take a look. I really should have my kayak with me, but no wind blowing. I could be out there on the water really locating them, but it is what it is, and I'm on foot. So let's just see what we can do. Welcome back to the pre-fishing show of Reverend Big John's Backyard Fishing. Surprised nobody's up here getting some sun. It's hot out here, y'all. I think today is the 15th, January the 15th. It's hot. The sun beaming. Definitely could have used my yak today. Figured I'd try this little point right here before I get out of here. This transition into the cove. I'm either gonna catch something or get caught or hung up on something. I think I'm gonna try to hit me some walleye tonight. I'm gonna go back over to the catwalk. Last time I was there, they had it closed off because of some new regulations. Let's see if it's open this evening. If not, head back in. Last cast. Yo, what's up, everybody? Reverend Big John's Backyard Fishing. We're about to hit this here Richmond Fishing Expo, man. Me and Rob hanging out. That's what we got to do. Since we ain't living in no sunshine state, we go to conventions and stuff like that. So we're gonna walk up in here and see what's up. All right, be back in a second.
But usually it's within, I consider that a safe distance. So all the fish within the bay come within our range. And that's big red drum, big cobia, big striper, stuff like that. You can catch all that in the kayak. There's nothing out of our realm of possibilities here in the Chesapeake Bay. It's a really great fishery. That's why kayak fishing is exploded around here because it is so good. And then of course you got the backwater stuff, right? You got all the inlets, the rivers, the salt marshes, all that stuff. You got miles and miles and thousands of miles of that area you can fish.
With the lure, which is very small. So this is the Claude Hopper Jr. We threw it in the tank last week at Raleigh, and we probably, thank you, buddy. Y'all notice what color he picked, don't you? Mike designed this color called the Cherry Bomb, and it's our absolute best color. It, along with Hustle Blue, another color here, two of our pro staff. We found out. Coming to you, that's a lure that's not really tuned to its maximum depth. The challenge on getting a real small crankbait to be able to track and start going down very quickly is all about balance. And then being able to have a lure that suspends and really comes through the water column at a level and at a depth that's going to work properly. Guys, think about this on our bridge riprap bank.
Well, we have finished up. We have been through all of this stuff. Not as big as I thought it would be. The Richmond Expo is a little bit small. Went to a lot of seminars, but now we're getting ready to hit the road, go back to Maryland. Traffic is always crazy, but it is. There's Rob. We finished now. We're heading out of here. What you think?
Oh, I found some really interesting stuff in here.
Yeah, I bought some stuff, man. I got a few things, even actually won a prize, believe it or not. And so I'll show you the bounty in a minute, but let's get on up out of here. All right, so look, this wind is crazy. We picked up a few things that we gonna try out. As soon as this season starts up, just let me see the bounty here. Hopefully don't nothing blow away. I'm outside, I'm freezing. I got a few crankbaits. I think they'll do some work. You know, we'll check all that out. So there's the bounty. This is what you do when you can't fish. You hit the, here's what I won. Not a bad bag for a gift, some crappie fishing stuff. Even got a fish gripper up in there. So we did good with that. We bought got another chatterbait, Mega Strike. They seem to have some pretty good stuff. So, it's cold, man. So you take it one for the team, man. I showed y'all this once I got inside, I guess. It is what it is. And I got to travel down to DC. Plus, I'm letting the car get warmed up. Lord knows. Been sitting out here in the cold. And the last bag, here's some Whopper Cloppers, man. Some 75s for just $8 versus the 13 of they normally cost in the store. So I picked up 3 of those small little flat boys. See if we can get on some fish. The third one's up in there somewhere. Oh no, I bought something else. Another little crankbait. Let's see, crankbait. There it is. All right, man, it's a cold day out here. Richmond Expo. We got to get out of here, man. See y'all in a minute. Well, maybe not. Hey, this Reverend BigJohn. Always remember, keep the Lord first and keep your eye. Wait a minute, why am I doing it like that? I tell you what. There it is, y'all. Reverend BigJohn. Always remember to keep the Lord first and keep your lines tight. God bless. I'll see you next time on the water.